Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to run maven install goal in STS vs Intellij Idea. So I will install maven goal in both STS and Intellij Idea. So let's get started. So first I will show in Intellij Idea. So this is Intellij Idea. So see here maven. See it will be look like after maven. See here application name. This is the test application. Same here. Then expand. If you expand look like see life cycle. In life cycle install it there. So run maven build. This is way to we can install the maven install goal in Intellij Idea. So if you want to another goal, if you want to run like clean test packaging, you can do this. So done. Build success. So same way I will show in STS ID. So this is STS ID. Our application test app want to right click run as maven install. So see, it is running the install code. So test cases are executing. Wait sometime this process will be completed. Yeah, see here, build success. So we are successfully understand how to run maven install goal in STS and Intellij Idea. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.